In this exercise, I would like to quickly show you how to fix dates that have come in the wrong way around. There is a discrepancy between particularly the US and the UK in that the UK likes to have their dates as day, month, year, and US like it as month, day, year. And can you see it? I've tried to import some American dates into my spreadsheet, and my spreadsheet doesn't like it because it doesn't recognise half of them as dates. It goes 7/22/91. That can't be a date because there are only 12 months, and you said there were 22 months. So therefore, I'm going to align this to the left because I think it must be text. Now, it's obvious to me because all the ones that it doesn't like, it's aligned to the left, so I can see there's a discrepancy with those dates. But if some kind soul had aligned everything to the right like that, it would be much, much more difficult for me to spot the problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert these American dates into the British format. And if you are American, you can do it exactly the same thing, but the other way around. So I'm going to select my whole column, go to the data tab. There's an option called text to columns. I'm going to ignore the delimited option. That's if you want to split the column into separate values, which I don't really need to at the moment, so I'm just going to leave that as it is. If there's a tab option or something selected there, just deselect it and choose next again, because this is the page that I'm interested in, is where you convert it from day, month, year to month, day, year, or the other way around. So I'm going to choose date. At the moment, my date is expecting day, month, year, which is why some of these are not working. I'm going to say, no, they're all month. Oh, not month, year, day. Month, day, year. There we go. Now, I don't want it to retain the destination that it's picked up automatically, because that's going to plonk it on top of the data that's already there, and then I don't get a chance to check individual dates to make sure it's done it properly. So I'm going to change that to the next available blank column, and then when I choose finish, can you see the 3rd of the 4th has become the 4th of the 3rd? That one that it went 7/22, don't know what you're talking about, has become 22nd of the 7th. What I'm also going to do to save ambiguity in the future is I'm going to go to the Home tab and choose an option called Long Date, so that it shows me the month as well. Shows me the month as a word rather than a number. So if I try to type in a new date, so if I put in, I don't know, the 2nd of the 7th, 26, it now knows that is the 2nd of July. So it's happy with the British date format now, if you see what I mean. And then I could safely get rid of this previous column. Please like and subscribe for more top tips to help with your Microsoft Office issues.